best-selling product around the world, and
Yes.
people just can't get enough information about it, and especially now. And it's such a kind of watching all these doctors and all our advisory board talking about the products. This is the wheel that we call the YES system, and it stands for Youth Enhancement System. And what it brings edge technology. These exclusive products are designed to help you look young, feel young, and live young. And so what are the best way to show it to you? But we have a very short video that we're going to roll. So you all know that this video is available in Share Jeunesse, and it's also available in Getting Started. So please enjoy the video.
At Jeunesse, we have a system of products that pushes a youthful, healthier lifestyle to new heights. And we make it easier than ever with our exclusive Jeunesse Youth Enhancement System. Our top-selling skincare products emphasize radiant, younger-looking skin and diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and other imperfections. The cutting-edge wellness products of the Youth Enhancement System rely on exceptional blends of vitamins, minerals, and other essential elements as they work with our skincare products, helping you achieve a more youthful, healthful feeling every day. Our innovative beauty products are carefully and responsibly curated by industry experts. These beauty boons help reveal and ignite every aspect of a more gorgeous you. The Jeunesse Youth Enhancement System.
So there it is. There's our YES system video. And you might have heard the words cutting edge. Well, our next speaker, his philosophy is cutting edge without the cutting. You know, I think you can already see his picture. He's already here with us. He is a world-renowned cosmetic surgeon. He has fully accredited and respected cosmetic surgery practice medical conferences. He's regularly presented on television and radio and the latest advances of cosmetic surgery. He's a doctor, husband, and father, and he's always a pleasure to work with. Dr. Newman, welcome to our very first YES series.
Thank you, Lucy. Thank you for having me. It's very exciting. It's amazing what you guys have done. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
So, we're living in a time where everybody's at home and they're trying to figure out what to do. I think one of the great things about Jeunesse is it gives us an ability to maintain our beauty, maintain our health, maintain our youth at home. Even if you allow me, I would like to share with you the science behind our products. Okay, so you can see my slides. There we go. So our product stem cells are found in every part of our body. They are the cells that are programmed genetically to help repair and regenerate our tissues. Without stem cells, we cannot live. These study, and I made a procedure called the stem cell lift, where we can take the fat from the body, and we started using for post-cancer reconstruction, for cosmetic, and for many other modalities. And when we did that, gave me the passion about learning about stem cells and bringing the science of stem cells to the world, because all the big hospitals to correct this problem, and they couldn't because there was not enough blood flow. The radiation had killed the blood to the stem cell lift treatment. It took us 2 years and 8 treatments, but his pain had gone. His skin was incredibly improved. Patients we were treating, and we were seeing that there's a huge change in the quality of the skin, become part of the tissues and do their full healing process. But because we were seeing these changes so quickly, we said this is something the cell at what these cells are producing and what they do in different conditions. Have what we call language of the cell. This is how they communicate, and they tell each other, listen, let's work on antioxidation, let's work on whitening this area, let's work on we figured out which factors are good for skin, and we actually made a product. And around the same time to my office, Randy had some problems with his knees that he wanted to take care of with the stem cell lift, and we treated him. And then I told her the story, and she took some bottles with her. They went home. A few days later, they called me back, and they said, and 10 years later, thanks to them, and thanks to Scott and Lewis, our visionary leaders, we are now a global company bringing the most measure of meaning for the last 10 years, who've worked so hard and so diligently in really helping others and giving so much to others. We've become a household name and peptides. So there's different kinds of polypeptides. And remember I showed you how, depending on what we do to the cell, 200, and the hair peptides are HPT6. The APT200 is in the skincare line and on the NV line for which we've accomplished together. And in my talk, I'm going to talk about the skin and the hair here. The other thing about the polypeptides is that every person, every skin color, every skin type, and it can be used on any body area that you want. Besides the fact that it's a whole new concept in cosmetic treatment of the skin, it is also exclusive to Jeunesse. It has no parabens, no sulfates, no harsh chemicals to irritate your skin. It doesn't make you sensitive to skipped one. Okay, and the product line has been made to work synergistically together. They are made to have antioxidants and anti-glycation, the things that make it the most optimally useful. And there's 3 steps to our skincare line, which is to clean it and prep the skin for the APT. The product line was tested by a third party, and they had amazing results with the clinical tests that we did. In their fine lines and wrinkles, they had significant improvement in their color and pigment. And I'm going to go and test it on her own. She went home, used it on her hand. She comes back after 1 month. She goes, look at the difference. Only on one hand I used it. And I said, great. How much the skin gets brighter and more luminescent. And you can see the improvement in the skin. And the neck is one of the hardest areas. These are some of the people who've used our product. Some of them are my patients. Some of them are Jeunesse members. And you can see the improvement in the skin. You have some imbalances and you have little things that can be improved upon. So it's good for all ages. And you can see there. This woman saw me in Australia. She shows me this picture and she goes, this is me and this is my mother. So obviously it's her just 6 weeks later. So I was very proud of that. So now we're going to transition from our from the APT200 to HPT6, which is hair polypeptide technology in hair care in the world. And we did a scientific research. We published our paper in stem cell cloning, talking about how stem cells are in the hair. We found 6 plants that we can use to really stimulate those stem cells. And we tested the blue cells. Those are stem cells grown in normal condition. There's no change. On the bottom, the blue cells, they knew that this product was going to improve our hair. And we did a clinical study, and we showed that everybody who used this product had improvement. Hair grows very slowly, so it takes a little bit more time than the skin. But if you use the product, there we go. So the benefits is that, you know, your hair will look more strengthened, more fuller. It's good, unlike drugs where it can have other problems with using it in men or women. Here we don't have any of those problems. We don't have any and the powerhouse of the product line. So the serum is in the skincare line and in the most amount of the polypeptides in them. And you want to use this morning and night on your skin and on your hair. to get the benefits. And in the next few months. Thank you so much for listening.